Imagine waking up thirsty, turning on the tap, and nothing comes out. You try every tap in the house. All are dry, no water to drink, cook, or clean. The plants wilt. Life grinds to a halt. This isn't just a scary story, it's a warning. We take water for granted, but it's not endless. In many places, people walk miles for a bucket of water. For them, this crisis is real, every day. The United Nations warns, we're heading toward water bankruptcy, using up our water savings with no plan for tomorrow. Like spending all your money and having none left, we're draining Earth's water reserves. This is a global emergency, and it affects us all. We must understand what's at stake before the taps run dry for everyone. Water bankruptcy means using water faster than nature can replace it. Think of Earth's water as a piggy bank, filled by rain and snow, stored in rivers, lakes, and underground aquifers. For centuries, nature refilled what we used. But now, we're withdrawing too much, too fast. Aquifers are emptying, lakes are shrinking, rivers are polluted. The UN calls this water bankruptcy, a warning that our water account is running dangerously low. When a region hits water bankruptcy, there's not enough for drinking, farming, or industry. It leads to food shortages, health crises, and economic hardship. This isn't a distant problem. It's happening worldwide, right now. Water bankruptcy threatens everyone, everywhere. We must act before the piggy bank is empty. Why is our water running out? Imagine carrying water in a bucket full of holes. Overuse is the biggest hole. Growing populations and farms demand more water than ever. Agriculture wastes huge amounts through inefficient irrigation. Pollution is another hole. Factories, farms, and cities dump chemicals and waste into rivers and lakes, making water unsafe. Cleaning polluted water is costly and often impossible. Deforestation destroys the natural system that refills our underground water. Without trees, rainwater runs off, causing floods and soil loss instead of soaking in. Since 1900, we've lost over 85% of wetlands, nature's water sponges. Glaciers are melting, rivers are shrinking, and underground water is vanishing. Our leaky bucket is almost empty, unless we fix the holes. Climate change is making the water crisis worse. Hotter temperatures disrupt rainfall, causing longer droughts and more severe floods. Dry places get drier, wet places get wetter, destroying crops and homes. Melting glaciers feed rivers now, but once they're gone, so is that water source. Rising seas push saltwater into freshwater supplies, contaminating them. Warmer lakes trigger toxic algae blooms, making water unsafe. Climate change is shrinking our water supply and damaging its quality. This isn't a future problem. It's happening now, everywhere. Our water systems are under immense pressure. We must act to stop climate change and save our water. The water crisis affects everyone. Your health, your food, your future. Without clean water, diseases spread and crops fail. Farming, the world's biggest water user, can't feed us if water runs out. Power plants and factories need water too. Without it, jobs and electricity are at risk. Our economy, our health, and our lives depend on water. The myth of endless water is dangerous. We're reaching the limit, but there's hope if we act now. Save water at home, protect forests and wetlands, demand responsible use from industries, become a guardian of water for yourself and future generations. The time to act is now. Every drop counts. Our future depends on it.